Hello everyone. Now I am going to teach you about energy level diagram in some homonuclear diatomic molecules. This topic is based on molecular orbital theory. The first example is hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule is formed by the combination of two hydrogen atoms. Let's see the MO diagram given here. Here you can see two hydrogen atom. Okay, left side one hydrogen atom, right side another hydrogen atom. Okay, because H2 molecule contain two hydrogen atom. Each hydrogen atom electronic configuration is 1s1. 1s1, right side hydrogen also 1s1. Then these two atomic orbitals undergo overlapping form two molecular orbital, sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. 1s and 1s of two hydrogen atom undergo overlapping along the axis, so it forms sigma molecular orbital. And here 1s and 1s undergo addition of overlapping form sigma 1s, and sigma 1s is called bonding molecular orbital. 1s and 1s undergo subtraction form sigma star 1s. Sigma star 1s is called anti-bonding molecular orbital. And number of molecular orbital formed here is equal to 2. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. So total number of molecular orbital formed here is equal to 2. Why 2? Because number of atomic orbital overlapping in this case is 2. According to molecular orbital theory, already you learned that number of molecular orbital formed is always equal to number of atomic orbitals combined. Okay, and sigma 1s already said formed due to addition of two 1s atomic orbital, and sigma 1 is also called bonding molecular orbital, and their energy is low and they are stable than sigma star 1s. Sigma star 1s is formed due to the subtraction of two 1s atomic orbitals. So sigma star 1s is called anti-bonding molecular orbital. Their energy is higher than sigma 1s. Here 1s orbital of first hydrogen atom contain one electron, and second hydrogen also contain one electron, and these two electrons will fill in sigma 1s. Okay, and sigma star 1s is empty. Okay, because maximum two electrons from atomic orbital, so that two electrons will accumulate in sigma 1s molecular orbital. Okay, and by looking this molecular orbital diagram, we can write the electronic configuration of hydrogen molecule. H2 is equal to sigma 1s 2. Sigma star 1s is 0. So only write sigma 1s 2. Okay, and from MO diagram, we can find out bond order also. What is the equation of bond order? Bond order is equal to half into number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital Nb minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital Na. Here number of electron in bonding molecular orbital, that is in sigma 1s 2 electron, so 2 minus anti-bonding molecular orbital is sigma star 1s. Sigma star 1s is empty, so we can write 0. So half into 2 minus 0 is equal to 1. That is, between two hydrogen atom single bond is present. 1 indicates single bond. Okay, this indicates that two hydrogen atoms are bonded by single covalent bond. Now we can find out the magnetic nature of H2, diamagnetic or paramagnetic. In molecular orbital sigma 1s all electrons are paired. There is no unpaired electron in molecular orbitals, so it is diamagnetic. Okay, if all electrons are all electrons are paired, then we can call the molecule is diamagnetic. If any unpaired electron in any molecular orbital, then we can call it as paramagnetic. Next is helium molecule, He2. Let's see the MO diagram of helium molecule. We know helium, the atomic number is 2, so the electronic configuration is 1s2. So left side 1s indicates first helium, and right side you can see another 1s indicates second helium. And their atomic orbitals overlap from two molecular orbitals. One is sigma 1s, another is sigma star 1s. Okay, and why here 2 molecular orbital? Because number of atomic orbital combined in this case is 2. So number of molecular orbitals is also equal to 2. Okay, now in 1s, first helium 1s is filled, 1s2. Second helium also 1s is filled. So there are total 4 electron, and this 4 electron will distribute in sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. First 2 electrons in sigma 1s bonding molecular orbital, and next 2 electron in anti-bonding sigma star 1s orbital. Okay, then what is the electronic configuration? Helium 2, sigma 1s 2, sigma star 1s 2. Now we can find out bond order. Half into number of electron in bonding molecular orbital. How many electron in bonding molecular orbital? Sigma 1s 2, minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital sigma star 1s. How many electron? 2. So 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Half into 0 equal to 0. Bond order equal to 0 means no bond exists between two helium. That is, helium molecule is therefore unstable and does not exist. Already we know helium is noble gas, so helium cannot form molecules. So it's clearly we proved from MO molecular orbital diagram and from MO theory. Clear? Next is lithium molecule, Li2. Lithium atomic number is 3, so electronic configuration of lithium is 1s to 2s1. Like this 2 lithium. Okay, let's see the MO diagram of lithium 2 molecule. Here bottom part you can see lithium 1s2. Lithium 1s2 from the first lithium, and right side also there is one lithium 1s2, and that lithium 1s2 is second lithium. Then first lithium is given in the left side, second lithium orbital is given in the right side. Okay, first lithium configuration is 1s2 2s1. Second lithium also 1s2 2s1. Okay, then 1s2 and 1s2 combined to form 2 molecular orbital sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. Total 4 electron from atomic orbital. So sigma 1s and sigma star 1s we can fill completely, because there are 4 electron already from atomic orbital. So sigma 1s sigma star 1s is become completely filled. Then first lithium 2s1 having 1 electron, second lithium 2s1 having 1 electron undergo overlapping again along the axis. Okay, s orbitals are spherical shape, so overlap is always along the axis. So it forms sigma 2s and sigma star 2s. Sigma 2s is formed due to the addition of atomic orbital of 2s, and sigma star 2s is formed due to the subtraction of atomic orbital of lithium. Okay, then here only 2 electron in 2s, so only sigma 2s we can fill it, sigma star 2s become empty. Okay, now we can write the electronic configuration. Okay, and this picture is MO diagram. From the MO diagram we can write the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of lithium is equal to sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2 sigma 2s2. Then this sigma 1s sigma star 1s, it is completely filled. So instead of sigma 1s and sigma star 1s, we can use a symbol KK. KK represent sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. So how we can write the electronic configuration? Lithium electronic configuration of Li2 is equal to KK sigma 2s2. No need to write sigma 1s and sigma star 1s separately. Instead of that we can write KK. Now we can find out bond order. Half into number of electron in bonding molecular orbital. Okay, here sigma 1s is bonding molecular orbital, sigma 2 is also bonding molecular orbital. So total 4 electrons from sigma 1s and sigma 2s. So half into 4 minus anti-bonding molecular orbital is sigma star 1s sigma star 2s. Sigma star 2s is empty, sigma star 1s is 2. So 4 minus 2 equal to 2, 2 into half equal to 1. So between lithium and lithium single bond is present. Then here all molecular orbital sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, all molecular orbital present here are completely filled. Okay, sigma star 2s is empty. Okay, remaining molecular orbitals are completely filled. So Li2 is diamagnetic.